Westside Mac, nigga.
Pull some of that
I know they see me coming. Aye. I ain't gotta talk about it, man, they know my shit hot. Who's got the bass booming out the motherfucking box? You just sit up at the stove every day selling rocks, kicking doors every morning, give a fuck about being caught. This school, I was tryna run it up, stack me a knot. I was only 14 when I got caught up for a flop. All I needed was some help and niggas left me on that block. Put my foot on niggas' neck like some diamonds in a chain. All I wanted was a foreign and a rollie on my wrist. I was thugging in the heights with Baby Woo hitting the lick. Niggas talking like they gang, but they don't know half of this shit. Came a long way from strutting, that shit made a nigga sick. Keep hating on me, nigga, bitch, I'm still gon' get rich. I'm plugged like a socket, it ain't shit to get you chipped. CBE, we taking off like Team Rocket in this bitch. Fuck next, we won't now, tell them suckers move around. Speaking on my name, bitch, that's gon' get you knocked down. Y'all can keep the fake smiles, tryna act like y'all were proud. Young nigga on the rise, know them haters see me now. They get my cousin, had a son, I had to find a better route. You can't even call my phone if it ain't about the cash route. I'm addicted to the cash, so I name my son Cash. When it's hectic, man, y'all niggas ain't nowhere to be found. Catch a body, you get lost, and you ain't never gon' get found. Ain't shit for free, nigga, had to get it out the mud. Team told me shit he trip, I said nah, bro, calm down. If they pull something funny, just gun a nigga down. I been hanging with them sharks, you can't swim up in this ocean. This weed I'm smoking potent, that shit got a nigga floating. It's only one of me, ain't no nigga like me. They don't wanna fight me, man, I put that on CBE. They don't wanna fight me, man, I put that on CBE. I'ma tell you about my life, nobody show me no love. I was tryna get some money, y'all hanging with all them thugs. I don't got no time to waste, I was just locked in them gates. Free my brothers in them cells, man, this shit won't be the same. I done lost some real niggas, I don't think you for my pain. Only thing I fuck with, sweetest switches on the game. I don't even want no deal, I'm just tryna get a meal. I don't care how you feel if you ain't really in the field. How you wanna see me win but run your mouth to all these hoes? I be tryna chase this money, ain't got time for no damn hoe. I been living in the Dino all my life, it ain't no joke. Can't be acting like you real, that's how you gon' get exposed. Fake niggas hate the real, so you know these niggas hoes. When you really live this life, that's just how the dice roll. How they roll?